Hey guys, what is up? So today I'm going to be doing a huge back to school try on haul. This is kind of like an end of summer slash back to school kind of clothing. So there's some that are super school appropriate, but most of them are. If you guys don't know, I am going to a university now. I transferred out of community college, so I'm just super excited to just be living on my own. I'm gonna have my own apartment. I'm just gonna be living on my own. I'm gonna have roommates, but I have my own rooms. I'm gonna be doing a room tour or like apartment tour really soon. And I'm also gonna do a back to school like apartment haul and like everything that I bought for my apartment. Anyways, let's just get into what I got for my clothing. So this is all over the place. Honestly, like I didn't really organize it, but the first thing is not school appropriate at all, but it's a lingerie bodysuit, and I've been wanting a lingerie bodysuit for the longest time, ever since it's been like a trend. I just couldn't find the right one because all of them kind of look a little bit too lingerie and looks too like tacky, but this one looks perfect. I got this from Honey Bum, and this was a size small, and it has like adjustable straps. This is perfect. So next thing is from Fashion Nova. Like I said, this is all over the place, so I'm not going store by store. So I'm sorry if this is kind of hectic, but this is from Fashion Nova. I just got this. Haven't worn it to anywhere. I plan to travel a lot. Like ever since I traveled with my best friend Guggen and I went to New York, I just feel like I just want to travel. Like I'm 20, well, I'm about to turn 20 on September 2nd. Virgo. Oh, my nails are ratchet. I'm about to get my nails done. Don't worry, I know I look disgusting. But yeah, I'm about to turn 20. I just want to travel and just like, that's what I want to do with my money. I don't want to buy so much clothes and just do nothing with them. I think this is definitely very Miami. So if this is a matching set, it's like this black satin. I wanted it in like a different color. I'm not a huge black kind of person. If you know me, like I don't like black, even though my nails are black. But I don't really like black on me that much, but this is really cute. It's very, I feel like this is perfect for Miami, going to the club and stuff. So it's just this bottoms, it's satin, there's pockets, which is nice. The strings don't do anything, but there is a waist to stretch it out. And then on the bottom it cinches. And then top, I'm not a huge fan of the top just because it's too much. Like it's too short. It's just one little slip up, one little fist pump. Titties everywhere, honey. Titties everywhere. Like no one cares. It is, where did I get this? I got this on Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova was having, Fashion Nova was having a 30% off plus free shipping, and I was like, Fashion Nova, why you do this to me? Because like I hate how like you get a huge discount, but then the shipping kind of kills your discount, and it's like, what was the point of this? Like you technically didn't get a discount. So I hate that, but I'm so happy that Fashion Nova did a 30% off plus free shipping. Like, yes. So this was $10. I can't remember the regular price for it, but with the 30% off, it was $10. It was like $10.50, which is just perfect for $10. So I think this is more school appropriate. So I'm gonna do a little pause and go into accessories just so I can get that out of the way. So I got this sunglasses from Pretty Little Thing, and they look like this. And so I like these. These are from a Pretty Little Thing, and my friend Guggen got the matching sunglasses. So hers is black. There's one in pink and light blue, and I really want to get the pink one just because it's super cute. And my favorite color is pink, but this is just red, and it's like, I don't know, it's such a nice pop of color. It definitely makes the outfit. If you have like a simple like white outfit or a simple black outfit, this can just like bring the whole outfit together. And it's just like red and has gold all around it. So the next thing is this. It's my favorite glasses I ever bought. Like don't I love these. These are like the style nowadays, like small circle glasses that don't even fit your face. They're ugly like this. Like who would know, honey? Like alright, so the next place I went to is Forever 21. Not Forever 21, I'm sorry. The next place I went to is Victoria's Secret. I don't like Victoria's Secret like at all, just because Victoria's Secret is just, I feel like it's been taken over by little kids, and I don't like that. But I did go to Victoria's Secret because my friend Guggen wanted a bra there for her outfit for her concert. Basically, I just got these shorts from Victoria's Secret, and they're just so cute. They're like, they look like booty shorts. They're kind of booty shorts, but not too booty shorts. You know, it's not like your butt is hanging out, but like almost there. You know, it's like the perfect length to just lounge around in. I don't like wearing shorts. Like I don't like wearing anything when I go to sleep, but because I'm gonna have roommates, I can't just be walking around the kitchen naked, you know, and they're just like, okay, so back to Fashion Nova, like always, you know how it is. Oh, I didn't even get the matching bottom for these. I did get the matching bottom for these. They're like red and they're like mid-length. You guys are gonna see in the try-on portion of the matching bottoms. But for now, I just have the top. So the top just says Tommy Boy or Tomboy. Yeah, Tommy Boy. It says Tomboy, and it just like, it kind of reminds me of the Tommy Hilfiger top, but looks like that. Next thing is from Forever 21. I forgot to show you guys this before. This is my favorite dress ever. It is perfect, like perfect length, perfect fit, perfect everything. It's not too tight, it's not too loose, it's not too long, it's not too short. It's just perfect. And the color is red, and everyone always says like every girl needs a black dress. No, honey. Every girl needs a red dress. Like you need a red dress in your closet, because when I wear this, like the whole world stops to look at me like, hello. Alright, so back to Fashion Nova, because you already know Fashion Nova is my favorite stove. Like I can't, like Fashion Nova, like take my money, take my paycheck, take my everything, take my soul, whatever. So back to Fashion Nova. I was really disappointed with this dress just because the material makes me like want to kill myself. Like I don't even like wearing this dress because it's so suffocating and it's just so tight on me. It's just so tight on me, you know? So it's really tight and I feel suffocated, so I don't like that. I just feel like it's just so stiff, and I thought it'd be more stretchy, but it isn't. It's just super stiff, and I got it in a size small, and I wish I got it in a medium, but the color is really pretty. I just don't know when I'm gonna wear that because I don't like being suffocated. All right, so almost done. I'm sorry this video is so long, but the next thing is this matching set. I just got this and it's so cute. So I saw on Fashion Nova that they promoted this in a red color, and the red was just so beautiful that I wanted it, and I'm not usually a red kind of girl, but when I saw red, I was like, this is so cute, but it was sold out, and then I saw there was a pink, but that was sold out too, so yeah. So I definitely want to get the pink and the red because it's honestly adorable. One thing I would say is that this jacket, the matching jacket, is too cropped. Like it's so cropped that it's just what I'm like, you know, I kind of want this to be more loungy rather than more sexy. Like I want it to be more like I can chill in it, but it's just so cropped that it kind of sucks. I don't know, I just wish it was a bit longer. I just don't like how cropped it is, but it's still beautiful. I love this royal blue color. If you guys know, born in September, I'm a Virgo, like I said in the beginning of the video, and apparently our lucky color is royal blue, or like a blue color, so here it is, yeah. All right, now we're done, you see? You did it, you made it to the end of the video. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if you guys want me to do more college vlogs and like start that when I do transfer to my university. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.
Like water.